baby blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am cortney.b and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an oldie, thank you so much for clicking on another video and for supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, if you guys saw my previous video that I uploaded, I showed you guys that I DIY'd some farmhouse chairs, and in that video I let you guys know that I was planning on doing something super cool with the little area. I wanted to turn it into a coffee nook because I love coffee. So that's what today's video is all about. I'm gonna go ahead and DIY my own little coffee table to go inside of my coffee nook, and I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Before I get started painting, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys all of the wood that I'm going to be using. And actually all of this stuff is leftover scrap wood that I had from when I did my DIY coffee bar. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll make sure that I link it below for you guys to take a look at. But I wanted to show you guys everything. This barn door is actually a barn door that I actually did, and I ended up not liking how it came out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna repurpose it for the little coffee table. And then all of this wood is just leftover wood. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started priming, and I did go ahead and sand everything off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and start priming. Okay guys, so it is of course the next day. I went ahead and I sprayed the table down with polyacrylic and I let it dry overnight. So it's finally time to show you guys the big reveal, and here it is. I think it came out really nice. I found all of this decor. It was just stuff laying around the house that I was no longer using, so I thought everything would come together on this coffee table, and it did. Fun fact about me, I do love a good candle, and I also love flowers, and my husband picked me up some flowers from the store, so I thought that looked really good right there in this clear vase. And then with this white vase, I just decided to wrap it with a little bit of twine. And then also for the bottom, I just found this little ball. It was in one, I think it was off in a box full of decor, so wasn't using it, and I thought it would look really good right there. And yeah guys, this is how it all came out. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know, how did I do? What's your favorite thing about it? Do you guys think everything meshed together really well? I think so, and I am loving it. So for now, this is how my coffee nook is looking. I am, like I said, planning on doing some more things with the space up top, and I'm gonna add a little bit more decor, and I may or may not change some stuff around on the table, but that'll be for another video. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.